Intentional substitution is how you quit scrolling forever. Why did I look the other way? I have no clue, but I just feel like doing it. So why am I here to talk about like, oh yeah, this is how you quit scrolling and everything like that? I quit 8 months ago. I've helped a bunch of people quit. First link in the description, you can see all the testimonials, but let me also just show you what my screen time actually is. So let's go wide here so you can see properly. Let's go all the way back because I just filmed another video with this. There you go. Another thing, these videos are unedited. So yeah, let's go over it. I don't watch YouTube. I don't scroll any short form content. I don't watch TV shows. I don't watch movies. I only watch movies because of school and stuff like that. But yeah, I basically don't consume anything. Only listen to like audiobooks and stuff like that. So yeah, you could say my screen time is pretty fucking clean. And yeah, I've made about like 150 videos to this channel about reducing your screen time. So yeah, it's kind of something that I've thought about just a tiny little bit. So let's go over why intentional substitution is how you quit scrolling forever. So, oh fuck. What is intentional substitution? Intentional substitution is where you take your bad habit. In terms of screen time, it might be consuming short form content. And instead of just letting the universe decide, okay, the universe, tell me, okay, what do I substitute my scrolling with? Because naturally, by the pure nature of there's a fucking train, noisy ass train. By the nature of things, if you quit something that you spend 5 hours a day on, that 5 hours will have to be spent on something different. So if you just, oh yeah, I'm gonna stop scrolling now. I'm gonna stop scrolling now. Well, bro, what are you gonna spend the 5 hours on? Fuck, my throat is so sore. What are you gonna spend the 5 hours on? This is where intentional substitution comes in. I think this is a much better example. Let's say you're trying to quit smoking, right? If you're trying to quit smoking and you're like, yep, I'm gonna quit smoking now. I'm gonna quit smoking forever. Never gonna smoke again. Boom, done. Now, go. Let's go. Never gonna smoke again. What is naturally gonna come up is when you get the urge to smoke. The only thing that you can do is now like smoke or abstain, smoke or abstain, smoke or abstain. If you instead of that was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna quit smoking, and as a substitution, I'm gonna start eating nicotine gum. Boom, done. Now, great. When you get the urge to smoke, you eat a nicotine gum. Done. Now you go a little bit, and now when you get the urge to smoke, or you get the urge now for the new addiction, which is basically like the nicotine gum, you eat half a piece of nicotine gum. Boom, boom, done. And then once that's done, once you get the urge, then you just pop like a regular gum, and now your addiction is gone. We do the exact same thing with quitting our phones. We do the exact same thing when we try to not scroll ever again. When you quit short form content, what is the best substitution for that? In my opinion, the best substitution is literally watch a movie instead. Like literally just watch a fucking movie. Or you could watch like long form YouTube videos. You could watch Mr. Beast if you want to. That's a pretty good substitution, honestly. Like, not even gonna lie to you. That's a pretty good substitution. So that is basically what intentional substitution is. It's instead of you just letting the universe decide for you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna quit smoking now. Like, I'm gonna quit scrolling short form content now. Let the universe decide for me what is going to happen. The universe is going to decide for you, and the universe is telling you to scroll short form content again, bro. So maybe just think, okay, what could I do instead of it? You choose that, and then you just consume that. And when you get the urge to scroll, boom, done, easy, calm. Now, why does this work? Again, intentional substitution is all about you're kind of tackling the addiction by adding on another addiction. But the addiction is slightly less worse for you, so your life improves from it, but it doesn't really feel like it. Another fucking train is coming now. Maybe this wasn't the best spot to record. There's fucking a highway in the background. There's ducks and the shit like that making noise. There's trains and everything. Another point is like intentional substitution is not chaotic. Whereas if you just go by your dopamine in the moment, you're like, I want to scroll short form content. You're gonna gravitate towards scrolling. I think this makes sense, right? Intentional substitution, I made a proper word for this and called it a method. I call this the onion method. I think you can kind of get the analogy. It's like you have the most addicting and the most damaging addictions within screen time. For example, short form content, TV shows, movies, Mr. Beast videos, like fucking everything, right? We peel away one layer, but you still have everything else left. So that's kind of the intentional substitution. And yeah, the onion method is like 100% explained with everything, all the method, everything that has gotten my clients and students results, first link in the description. So what do you do now? You look at what your most damaging thing that you're consuming right now is. So for you, oh fuck, sorry. For you, it's probably short form content. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's probably short form content. So from now on, I want you to, every single time you want to consume short form content, just be like, nope, not today. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video instead. I'm going to watch this that's just slightly better. It's slightly better. It will slightly improve my life. So I'm just going to do that. And yeah, I honestly don't have much else to say. I hope you get the best results from this. And bro, it's like, I'm sorry for promoting my product so much. It's just, I'm so passionate about screen time, bro. Look at my channel. I have like, I think it's like 180 videos posted, bro. I do deeply care about this shit. And I know the best product on the market is the first link in the description. Plus there's a pre-sale right now. If I haven't already finished all the courses and all the resources in there, it will fix your life. It will take you from the position that you're in right now to someone who doesn't scroll at all. So please click on the first link in the description, take some action, have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next, and I'll see you in the next one, brother. Peace.